we're looking for a clipboard at the beginning, and I just gave you mine. So there's some clipboards and some basic office supplies in here for search and rescue. We have notebooks, we have trash bags for sanitation, we have caution tape if you guys need some of that. I know in one of these we also have the tape that we use for Cert, which has the tagging in one of these. But
Prime tape?
Yeah. No, not prime tape. Okay, and then this is also a very important piece to it that Chilton would likely set up, or whoever the incident commander is. Here, Vanna. Here you go. So this would be displayed. So you had asked if there was some kind of like ruling that we could put up. So this is how you would assign people. So the neighborhood hub manager would technically be Chilton, right? And then this would be Scott, the communications and radio coordinator, right? And then you would assign these spots. And so when you guys had signed in, we had asked you like what your skills were and everything. So you may be put in a specific function based on your skills. So one that's very important, especially if anything is put on the news or if social media or anything is working, is the neighborhood information coordinator. Because if people come, especially like, we don't ever want to promote this as a shelter, because that is the absolute last resort. It could become a shelter if everybody's houses got knocked down and there's nowhere for people to stay, then it could become a shelter. But then if people come in and start filming and wondering, you know, what's going on, and
it's a
people are in
neighborhood
dire
gathering
need.
point.
Right, yeah.
That's all it is.
So,
it's a gathering point.
So all of these need to be assigned by the incident commander, or it could be a team of people that assign it.